I'm on my PyCharm now. So firstly, let me import my random module because I want my computer also to be played with me. With my user, okay? So I'm importing my random module. You shall see its use later in our program. Firstly, I'll define a function. I don't want to use such a big name, rock, paper and scissor. So I'll just use RPS to my short form. I know that name is very bad, but I don't have any other option. So def RPS, and now I'll set my player is equals to false. Now I'll have a list for having my values rock, paper and scissor. As random function cannot move over strings, right? It can move only over integers. I want my list and I'll specify indices for my random function. Okay, rock, paper and scissor. Now computer is equals to I'll use random function here, random dot randint. As I have only 3 values, I'll use 0 and 2. Okay, now I'll start my while loop. While player is equals to false. Now this time I want to use some input function, as I want my user also to be played, right? Choose rock, paper and scissor. Now I'll use some if condition statements, if, elif and else. Firstly, I want to check if computer and player ties out or not. If computer is equals to player, print the match is tied. Now I'll use elif statement. If computer is equals to rock, and for anyone, if you don't know how to play rock paper scissor game, for rock and paper the paper wins, for paper and scissor the scissor wins, and for scissor and rock the rock wins. Okay, and if player is equals to paper, print you have won. Here we have paper to be player and computer to be rock, so the player wins, right? Now I have else statement, else print. Sorry, you have lost the game. Lost the match. Okay, now I'll just copy it and paste it over here, and I'll change my values to just reduce the time. If you want to increase your Python skills, just go for it. Just type it over. Scissor, and I want this to be rock. As for scissor and rock, always the rock wins, right? Now we have completed a rock and scissor. This time I want it to be a paper, and I want my user to be scissor. Yeah, we have completed all our. Now I'll call my function I'll run my program. It is asking me to choose among rock, paper and scissor. I'll have rock. The match is a tie, it seems. I'll run it again. This time I'll choose the value to be paper. Sorry, you have lost the match. And to check if that is going correctly or not, I'll just print my computer value even. And do not do it in a original game. I'm just doing for the understanding purpose, okay? This time I'll take it to be scissor. The match is a tie and we have our computer value to be also a scissor, and when both are equal it becomes tie. So in this way you can write a program to create a rock paper scissor and a game. Sorry, to create a rock paper scissor game. Okay, so if you like this video, please like it. Also, if you have any Python beginner buddies, please share it with them, and also subscribe my channel for more exciting beginner Python videos. And I also have many Python tutorials, and if you want to learn Python, please go through them. Thank you. Bye bye.